Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click account information, and here as you see you will find it here. Just click here and you can change it, and that's it. Click save and it will be saved, and that's it. That's how to change your username on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.